Okay guys, in today's video we will be checking out how we can use a simple mobile setup to trade GainX and PainX. Okay, so with this mobile setup you will be able to pick up a trade. At least you will be able to sell GainX and buy PainX. At least you will be able to pick up about 5 to 10 candles whenever these occur on your setup. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, like I always tell you, there's no strategy that is 100% perfect. Okay, so this works very well. It's going to give you about, it is about 80 to 90% accurate. So, and that means that you can also lose money once in a while, but it is amazing. Okay, just follow up with the instruction and you're going to get it right. Okay, I will also advise you to understand how it works well. Practice on your demo account before you go fully on your real account. Okay, so guys, before I go fully into details, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. So quickly, let's jump into it right away. Okay, if you actually want a strategy that is better than this, you can go for the 3M Train Milker custom made indicator. Okay, you can reach out to me if you want to go for that. Okay, so guys, let me show you the setup I'm having on the chart, then thereafter I'm going to explain to you how it works. Okay, this will work for you on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so please give me your full attention. Okay, so I'm going to go to the indicator page. Okay, so first of all, I will be sharing with you my setup. I have so many setup here, so I'm just going to share you the setup you will be seeing on the chart right away. Okay, so on the main chart, I actually added the Bollinger Band, and you can see the setup right here. Okay, so very easy and no levels. Just follow up with the setup. Period is 20, deviation is 2.000, shift is 0, apply to weighted close, and of course no levels. Time frame on all time frame, that does not really matter. Then you can choose your preferred color. I decided to go for this color because of the background of my chart. Okay, then you click on save. Okay, now let's go to window indicator. First thing you need to add to your window indicator is your RSI. Okay, so just follow this instruction. Period is 1 and apply to close. The levels are 85 and 15. You heard that right, 85 and 15. Those are the levels. Okay, and of course time frame, all time frame. So let me click on the levels. Make sure you style it with this. Okay, choose the highest points. Okay, choose the highest points, and of course you can choose your preferred color. I chose white because I want it to show on my background. If your background is white, then you shouldn't choose white. This is very important. Okay, and of course guys, I decided to go with the dotted line. Okay, so that it can be different. It can show differently. Okay, so the second indicator which you need to add, okay, is the average directional movements index. Okay, average directional movement index. Okay, the period is 137, and of course levels none, and of course time frame all, and the style. Okay, so we have the plus di. I chose green. Okay, let's check out this Taiwan after the this is plus di. I chose green. Y minus di. I chose red. Okay, so and I did the styling to the, I put it on the third one. Okay, then you can go ahead and save it. Then the next two indicators you will be adding are going to be the moving averages. Okay, so let's check out the first moving average. All these will be added to the window indicators. Okay, not on the main chart. Okay, only Bollinger Band will be added on the main chart. Okay, so the window indicator is going to be period 10. For the moving average, first moving average on the window indicator, period 10, shift 0, simple. That is the method applied to close. Then the rest, you just choose your style and that is it. Then you save it. Okay, then the last indicator, which is the second moving average, that is period 20 shift 1, and of course simple, and apply to previous indicator data, and of course the rest will be like this. Okay, so you can save it. Okay, now let's see how you can put all these into use. Okay, so follow the instructions. Okay, with these we will be able to say if we should go ahead and pick up 5 to 10 candles. Okay, like I said, you also need to practice this very well, because not all all the strategies are not 100% perfect. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now quickly, let's see how it works. Okay, so for this, the first thing you need to take note of is the candle must cut across the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, it must cut across the upper Bollinger Band, and that does not mean you should jump in, because if you are jumped in here, you will have gotten it wrong. Okay, so once this is achieved, then you now come down here and make sure this particular moving average, the red one, has gotten to the oversold area. Okay, overbought area. It has gotten, because this is GainX. Okay, it has gotten to overbought area. Okay, it has cut across it. Once that happens, then you can start to sell. Okay, you should be able to pick 5 to 10 candles. Okay, maximum of 10. Okay, do not pick more than 10. Okay, so let's check it out. You can see from there up to this very section that's even about 16 candles, and this is about 10 candles. Okay, even 11 candles, and you will be off the market. Okay, so now let's see more, guys. Let's see more. Okay, here is another section. You can see it right from here, got to this section, and this also went as high as the as getting to the overbought section. And of course you can easily pick from there, guys. You can easily pick 5 to 10 candles. Let's check it out. Okay, 5 to 10 candles. Okay, so we got 5 to 10 candles right from there. Okay, so that's so amazing. So you can easily go ahead and pick more candles right from there. Now let's check it on PainX. Okay, let's check it on PainX. So for PainX, it's going to be the opposite way. Okay, it must have gotten to the lower part of the Bollinger Band, and of course this should have gotten to the oversold section. Okay, so this is very, very important, because we are trying to buy in PainX. Remember, this is going to be on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. So at this point, it's actually got to the lower part of the Bollinger Band, and of course, if you should notice, it also crossed around here too. So now let's check if we are able to get 5 to 10 candles. Okay, so as you can see, we even got more than that. Okay, so that is all about that. Okay, so and we can see more. This is another opportunity right from here. So if you should check when it crossed. Okay, this is when it crossed, and of course, and just the way you're going to see it right from here to this very section, we give you about 10 candles. Okay, so that is also an amazing trading opportunity. So you can do that over and over again. So make sure you practice with this before you go fully into it. Okay, here is another section again, got out of the Bollinger Band, lower part of the Bollinger Band around there, and of course got to the oversold section around there. And of course, if you should do your calculations very well, this should be the entry point. Somewhere here should be the entry point, and if you should notice, it got to somewhere here, that is about 10 candles. Okay, so you can easily pick 5 candles right from there, maximum 10 candles. Okay, so this is very important. Just play alongside with it to see how beautiful this particular strategy is, and make sure you practice very well with it before you go fully on your real account. Okay, so if you want a better way of earning for a very long time, okay, then you can go ahead and get the custom made indicator 3M trend milker indicator, and you will be able to trade for a very long time with that. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And of course, if you have a personal question, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.